little bit more complicated. Plus we have an exponent in here. So remember, when we do an exponent on an exponent, we multiply it and it would become b to the 6th. So again, we're going to look at the fourth term. We can either look at Pascal's triangle, or we can go 4 to the 0, 4 to the 1, and use our calculator. But remember, 4 to the 0 is 1, and 4 to the 1 is 4. So you shouldn't have to use your calculator for that at all. And 4 to the 0 is going to be the same as 4 to the 4. And what's 4 to the 1 going to be the same as? 4, 3. And so the only thing I'd really have to put in my calculator is 4, 2, which, if you're familiar with Pascal's, you already know it's 6. So there's my first row. Then the next row, I take my first term and write it through with parentheses. So you make sure that you don't forget that the 2 also needs the power. And I start with 4. So the first term, I always descend. And then the last term, I'm going to descend. So I'm going to start with 4, or start with 0, sorry, and end with, sometimes I go backwards. I like go 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 that way. That's why I said start with 4, because I just, okay, so now the last step is put all my columns together. So 1, remember this is always going to be 1, and so is that. So basically that's my first term. 2 to the 4th, a to the 4th, and then b squared to the 0. This is 1 and this is 1. So my first term is going to be 16a to the 4th. And I think I put this on here. No, okay. So then this next one is 4 times 2 cubed times a cubed times b squared to the 1, which is b squared. So I have 8 times 4. It's going to be plus 32 a cubed b cubed. And then my next one is 6 times 2 squared times a squared times b to the 4th, because it's 2 times 2 here. So I get 24 a squared b to the 4th. And my next one is 4 times 2 to the 1, a to the 1, times b to the 6th, because it's 2 times 3, and I get plus 8a b to the 6th. Now these are not coming out, but that's okay. And then this last one is going to be, this is 1, and this is 1, so it's just b squared, it'd be b to the 8th. Now I want you to notice that the exponents here, the a is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, but the b is 0. I did that wrong, that's 2. I'm glad I looked at that. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, because I started with b squared, and so it's going to go up in multiples of 2. I did have this on here. Let me show you this a little bit cleaner. Okay. And so there's your final answer like that. This one is your homework, so go ahead and try this one and then come back